All right, guys, it's Backroads back again for number 3 in the Mix It Up tutorial. So again, guys, we are going to be continuing to work on building up the ability for your channel to become more interactive and help with viewer retention. Before we jump into it, again, the shout out to today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends.
Take your place amongst the chosen. Discover Raid Shadow Legends now. Your legends await you. Click here to play for free.
You can click the link down in the description below to join me and the rest of the Backroads gaming community here in Raid. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We are back into our dashboard. Again, we've already covered it before. You know how to set up the custom rewards. You know how to turn them on. If they're not already on, make sure to check out my first video in this tutorial series, and you'll see from there. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to teach our viewers, well, I'm going to teach you to allow your viewers a way to really screw with you on stream. So we're going to start with altering a source. So in this case, it's going to be flipping this camera upside down. So you're going to go ahead and, just like before, add your reward, edit your settings, and save it. Bang. Let's jump into the Mix It Up bot. Here we go. So I've already got this put together. Now, what I put together for my stream is I do not use individual sources. So this particular camera setting that you see is on a scene all to itself. Okay? So depending on how you do this, it's going to vary ever so slightly. But the way I do it will show you. So again, we're going to start out with the weight. We're going to add the streaming software. We're going to turn on source visibility. And again, this scene does not matter because we're going to have this happening on all the scenes where my camera is at. So what we want to do is we want to turn off our first camera, which is the one that you see now. We want to wait for about half a second. And then we want to turn on a new source visibility. Now, in this case, mine is called vertical flip. So what it does is it flips me upside down. We want to turn that one on. And then we're going to wait about 20 seconds. We're going to turn the flipped one off. And then we're going to turn the normal one on. So, to run through the settings here, you're first going to add a weight. So, actions, weight, actions, streaming software, weight, streaming software, weight, streaming software, weight, and streaming software. You can go through and do all the settings once you've got it plugged in, just so you know what you're doing. But again, source visibility, source name. Again, I cannot expand or iterate this enough. Source name has to be grammatically identical. So, once that's all set in, and again, we'll pull it back up so you can see how we've got it here. Main camera off, secondary camera on, got your weight. And we'll set, you know what, we'll set it for like a 5-second here, just so you guys can see what this does. So if you watch my face right here, we'll hit the flip camera button. Waits a second, I go away, and I'm back. Waits 5 seconds, I go away, and I'm back. So this is one of those things, it's not super awesome. However, it's one of those things that sometimes your viewers will really enjoy the ability to interact with you. So that's a simple one. All right, guys, that's it for this video today. We'll catch you next time for one that's a good bit more advanced. Later. If you guys do have any questions, right now my work schedule has me streaming Wednesday through Sunday. My schedule will be in the link in the description below as well. If you want to hop over and hang out, twitch.tv/BackroadsGamingTV.